The stunning San Diego Bay National Wildlife Refuge is home to the Living Coast Discovery Center.
The Living Coast Discovery Center is basically a living museum where it has animals that are local mostly to the San Diego habitat, and the plant protects it.
Karen Quiros with the Chula Vista Elementary School District is on special assignment here, teaching K through 8th graders on their day-long field trips.
I knew when I was hired 20 years ago that I had been hired for my dream job.
My favorite part about coming here is that we can have fun adventures with specific animals like stingrays, sharks, eagles, owls.
The goal of the program is really to give students an opportunity to become stewards of our environment going forward and into the future.
Well, it kind of feels reverie.
We actually have 24 different programs that are taught here that aligns with Common Core standards or next generation science standards.
With a focus on careers in science.
It's super hands-on. The students come and they are able to take part using tools that actual scientists in their field get to use.
In the past 2 years, 9,000 district students have spent the day here.
I feel like it's a privilege kind of to just come out here, taking away more information of the different plants and animals that live in this area. So I would consider it a special place.
Stewards of the San Diego Bay National Wildlife Refuge, winner of the Classroom of the Future Foundation's Inspire Award.
I see the impact that this experience has on them.
Something good is happening.